What have I learned from this? I learned I can't put that together or take it apart on the bed of my truck. Okay folks, so those of you who've been following me with the build of my SmartCap on my Colorado, it has been 8-9 months, almost a year since I built that SmartCap. And so what ended up happening at the end of that attempt, I had to get some neighbors, we lifted it on and we clamped it down. I did get torque wrenches. This was advised that you do it. I torqued it per manufacturer's specs. And I'm going to let you know the good and the bad after nearly a year of off-roading and using this SmartCap. So let's first of all take a look at where I'm at. Fantastic area, absolutely stunning. This is up by the Soups in Arizona, Superstitions for those who are not from Arizona. Let's take a look at the Colorado with its SmartCap. It's a little dirty, it's got some Arizona pinstriping on it now, but there it is, buddy. I absolutely love this thing. It's secure, it works well. Some people have had problems with the seals. I have had no problems with the seals. Down here, now getting this seal to wrap around that corner, I couldn't get it to stay, period. I ended up cutting it, which you saw in the video, and I ended up using a silicone gasket seal, silicone adhesive, and that's worked really well. I was real careful when I laid the topper on the bed that we didn't roll that seal, and that is something you do have to be concerned about. It doesn't leak, it doesn't get dust in it. I love it. It's a fantastic SmartCap. Yes, it's a little pricey, but it's secure. I also put some lights in it, which I'll show you how I did that here in a minute. I'll put some video up of me installing the lights. But yeah, pretty darn cool, huh? So here's the kit I used. I bought it online during a sale and got it pretty cheap, but man, it looks fantastic. I stuck this thing to LED strips up onto the rails of the top of the topper, and then I ran the wires along the back of the topper down under the bed to the engine compartment where I hooked directly to the battery, and it worked out really well. I did run it through protective sleeving so that it wouldn't get damaged and tied it up out of the way of anything, and then I mounted the switch right here and ran the wires up around and to the back, and bundled it up here with sticky tie plates and zip ties to keep it out of the way of things. And man, I think it looks great. I'm really happy with it. So the gullwing doors, the side doors, whatever you want to call them, fantastic. The only thing I had to do, because of the dust I'm in, I had to put some WD-40 in those keyholes because they were jamming up, and now they're fine. Took a little WD-40. You can see it looks beautiful. Now right there, that water right there, I do get a little bit of water through the vent, but that is mainly from car washes, to be honest. Actual rain, I have not seen water in my truck from rain, just the car wash. I have had a little bit of problem with those tie plates sticking, and I'm probably gonna have to use some super glue and glue those suckers on. That's because of the Arizona heat mainly, all right? And I just need to find a better way to secure it. If you guys have a suggestion, let me know and I'll secure it better. But yeah, I have a rear view camera. You can see my wiring for my lights. So yeah, that's the SmartCap, man. I do want to get the inserts to go in here. I'm going to put one of the bin inserts on this side, so my drone stuff and other things I can put in there, groceries, things like that. I really want to do that. I'm thinking seriously about putting the table in. If I do that, I'm probably going to have to relocate these light strips. I'm not going to do the kitchen one because we have other plans for when we're overlanding. We're hoping to buy an overlanding trailer, actually, like a Patriot or something like that. So yeah, pretty cool. yeah, that's the SmartCap, man. I think it's a fantastic investment. I don't regret it. I can't take it off like I planned in 15 minutes. That ain't gonna happen, but I haven't needed to. So talk to you later. Stay safe and stay adventurous.